spiral brush will spin the surface of your mesh as you brush along. Hold Alt to spin in the opposite direction. Open the picker menu. Next, click to enable Once Ori button in order to spin based on your surface direction instead of your camera position. Try adding an alpha followed by enabling Sculptris Pro to add texture and some form to your spiraling. With your picker set and an alpha added, set your stroke to drag stamp. Now your brush will create alpha spiraling spikes. Increase your twisting by opening the brush menu and expanding the twist palette, and increase the twist rate a bit.